How to activate Huntington Debit card. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily activate the Huntington Debit card on your phone. First thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your web browser, or if you are using the mobile application, that's fine as well. Once you land on their official site, you can find different options. Now, the first thing you do is tap on the hamburger menu at the top left, right here, and tap on the login button. It will take you directly to the login page. Now, once you are on the login page, what you can do is simply log into your account by entering all of your credentials. And once that is done, you should be able to find an option to activate your debit card. Once logged in, it's pretty easy to activate your debit card. So what you basically have to do is select the Service Center tab at the top, and underneath you'll find the debit and ATM cards. Click Activate Card, and then you can enter the 3-digit security code on the back of your debit card and click Activate. Now, you can also use your phone to activate a debit card. So what you can do is you can either use the Huntington mobile app or your mobile phone, or call this number right here. It's going to be available daily from 6 a.m. to midnight ET. And to activate your new card using your phone, just open up the application, click More, and then click on Manage Cards and select your card. Then enter the same 3-digit security code on the back of your card, and then simply click on Activate. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.